If you want to add an effect on your videos in CapCut, you can easily do very simple ways. So here is on my project. Here I see a couple of video clips are there. I'm going to add some effect. To add an effect, at first we need to click this effects tab. So I'm going to click here, effects, and there are different effects are there. I'm going to add an effect like black noise. So here there is a search box. We can start typing black noise, and then we can hit enter key or return key of our keyboard. We'll see black noise related stuffs are there. So for example, I want to apply this black noise. For example, this one or this one is fine also. I'm going to click here, drag it and drop it on top of the video or image, whatever we will see. Now here you will see in the image, not the image, in this video you will see a black effect is there. See here, some black noise is there. In this way you can apply any other effect also, and if you want to add more effect, you can also search another effect and you can also add that thing too. So I'm going to add another effect like a vignette effect, VI. If we start typing VIG, then we'll find this is the effect we can choose from here, and here it is showing different effects are there. So I'm going to click here and drag it on top of the video, and this effect will be added. Now if we start playing, we'll see that it is going the effect has been applied perfectly. And that's it. In this way we can add effects on our video or video clips.